Hello YouTube, and thanks for joining us in today's DIY. So today we're doing the engine oil change for 2014 Mitsubishi. This vehicle belongs to my niece Trinity. She'll be watching us closely and learning a few things. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make it.
Okay, here we are at the front hood of the car. This is our oil dipstick to measure our oil level. And our oil cap right here where we will put our new oil in. And on the passenger side, underneath the car, will be our oil filter and oil pan. That's the area we're going to work on. And on the driver's side, underneath, is our transmission fluid and the transmission pan, so don't get it confused. And before we get started, don't forget PPE, personal protective equipment.
Man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend.
So I crawl underneath the car, under the passenger side, and we'll see the black oil pan right here. And our oil pan bolt or plug right here. And this is a 17mm bolt. And we'll use a 17mm socket to undo this plug. And we'll rotate this socket to the left to loosen the plug. Lefty loosey. Just crack it open and then we'll hand loosen it. There we go. Then I position my green oil catcher to catch all that dirty oil. I hand loosen the plug, then quickly move it out of the way.
There you go. Oh, nice black oil. Ugh.
I inspect the plug and it looks good. And I'll give it a little cleaning before I install it. And while the oil pan is still draining, let's take a look at our filter. And here's our oil filter right here. So we also picked up this oil filter wrench at AutoZone. What I like about this tool is that it's adjustable for different sizes, from small to large oil filters. So this tool comes with 16 little circular adhesive grips. We put them on, but I wouldn't bother because they keep falling off and they became very annoying. Alright, I give the oil pan one more cleaning before I install the oil drain plug. Always hand start your drain plug by hand. I've seen videos of people installing the drain plug with their air gun. Don't know why they would want to do that, because you have a good chance of cross-threading and then having possible oil leaks. Then we'll take our 17mm socket and turn it righty-tighty to tighten it up. Don't have to crank it, just give it a nice tight snug. Okay, time to take out our oil filter with our new oil filter wrench. I don't know if you noticed that, but that was the adhesive grip that fell off the tool. Very annoying. Just turn it left, lefty loosey.
There we go. Is it moving already? Yep. Okay, once it moves, I just gotta go like this. Now I gotta make sure. Hands out. It's gonna get a little splash of oil right there. There we go.
So if you want to buy the original oil filter from Mitsubishi, the part number is right here. Also picked up this new oil filter and new synthetic oil from AutoZone.
STP, and this is 020 full synthetic.
And it's always good to rub the new oil on the red gasket. It gives it a better seal. Also a good idea to clean up that area before we install the oil filter.
Okay, clean it up nicely. All right, right there.
Alright, time to install the new oil filter. Also, hand tighten only. Do not use your filter wrench.
Okay, so this is just hand tighten. Take your hands. 1, 2. That's it. Open up this right here. This is your oil filler cap right here. Open it up. Alright. There we go. And we're just gonna open the dipstick a little bit, get the air come through.
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Open it up. Put the oil in.
Ooh.
Good.
Can't pour too fast when it also overflows.
This is 5 quarts, so we're gonna go 3/4, and then we'll stop.
Then we'll check with our dipstick to see how much more we need. Okay, let's take out our oil dipstick and give it a cleaning so we can see the oil level properly. Alright, notice the 2 holes on the dipstick. This will show our oil level, low and full. Try to keep your oil level to the left side of the hole, which is the top hole, for full.
I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
Looks like it's about 3/4 full. So it looks like we're going to finish off the whole 5 quarts. And it should give us all the way to full. Okay, 5 quarts of oil and we're pretty well at full.
Take this out and then put the cap on. Here's the cap. Tight. Okay, sometimes it breaks, but this is good.
Okay, let's start the car and let the oil circulate for a couple minutes. Then we'll check underneath to see if there's any leaks.
We're gonna check, see if there's any leak. Looks good. Nice and dry. Let's go over here by the filter. Over here. Looks good. Nice and dry. Alright.
Okay, everything looks good. And I think Trinity has learned a little bit how to do oil change in her car. So, if you like my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.